Hi friends, today we are going to discuss IR spectrum of methane. In this, we will solve few questions. First, why do we get peaks in IR region? How many peaks will be there in a spectrum? Will all vibrations show peaks? We will get sharp peaks or group of peaks. First, we will discuss why do we get peaks in IR region, because at room temperature around 300 Kelvin, most of the molecules are populated in the ground state, not only electronically but vibronically and rotationally, and their population is very high. When we treat them with IR radiations, they get excited because the difference between two vibronically excited states is equivalent to energy of IR radiations. So when they are irradiated with IR radiations, they get excited and they absorb energy in IR radiations. Next, how many peaks we will get? It depends on the number of total atoms present in the molecule. As methane is a polyatomic molecule, it has 5 atoms. So, for non-linear molecules, the number of possible vibrations are 3n minus 6, and we will get 9 peaks, or we will have 9 different types of vibrations. They may be stretching vibrations, symmetrical stretching, asymmetrical stretching, bending vibrations, in plane, out plane, wagging, rocking, twisting. There may be different type of vibrations. So we are expecting 9 types of peaks in the spectrum. By visualizing energies associated with 9 different type of vibrations, we can conclude that first 3 types of vibration have similar energy. It means they are electrically triply degenerate, and their energy value is 1020.9 centimeter inverse, whereas fourth and fifth, both vibrations, again they are energetically degenerate, but sixth one is separate vibration. It has different energy from others, whereas seventh, eighth and ninth, all 3 vibrations are also energetically degenerate vibrations. It means energy required to vibrate, energy required to excite vibronically is same. So ultimately, now we are expecting, instead of 9 peaks, we are expecting only 4 peaks. 1 peak for first 3 vibrations, second peak for fourth and fifth, third peak for sixth vibration, and fourth peak for vibration number 7, 8 and 9. Next we see that first 3 vibrations are possible because they are associated with change in electrical dipole moment, and according to selection rule, all vibrations which are associated with electrical dipole moment, change in electrical dipole moment, are possible and are IR active. Similarly, vibration number 7, 8, 9, these are also associated with change in electrical dipole moment, hence these are also IR active. But what about vibration 4, 5 and 6? Because they are not associated with change in electrical dipole moment, that's why they are IR inactive. So now we are expecting not 9, not 4, we are expecting only 2 peaks in IR spectrum of methane. Now we will check whether these 2 peaks will be sharp or multiplet, means group of peaks. Actually, in practice, we do not get sharp peaks, we get multiplets. Instead of sharp peak, there is a solid region, and instead of vibronically excitation or vibronically transition, these are rotational vibrational excitations. So their spectra is called robo vibrational spectra. It is clear from this diagram that each vibrational level is associated with many rotational levels also, and at room temperature molecules may be vibronically in ground state but rotationally may be in first or second or third excited state. And similarly, when vibrational transitions happen, they may go or they may attain vibrationally ground state, similarly rotationally ground state, or they may attain rotationally first or second excited state. So according to this diagram, we can see not only one, there are many types of transitions possible. Therefore, in IR spectrum of methane, we never get single sharp peak. Instead, we get multiplet, which are associated with these following all types of rotational vibrational excitations. This is the IR spectrum of methane. In this, we can see two groups of peaks. One at 1100 centimeter inverse frequency and other one at 3000 centimeter inverse frequency. Both are associated with 1, 2, 3 number vibration and 7, 8, 9 number vibration. And because they are associated with different energy, that's why we are getting multiplets at two different positions. This is our methane. It has one carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms, and it has tetrahedral structure and also called as marsh gas, and as it has 5 total atoms in it, therefore for non-linear molecules number of possible vibrations are 3n minus 6, that is 9 vibrations. 9 different modes of vibrations we are expecting. In these 9 vibrations, as I have discussed, that number 1, 2, 3 are energetically degenerate, triply degenerate. Similarly, vibration number 7, 8, 9 are electronically degenerate. Therefore, instead of 9, we are getting only 2 peaks because 4 and 5 and 6 are IR inactive. So we will check one by one all these vibrations. We will see their animated videos also, and I hope you are going to enjoy vibrations of methane. So this is the first vibration which occurs at 1020.9 centimeter frequency. You can see that it is showing bending. As we know that bending vibrations need less energy. Therefore, we observe this is spectra for this vibration at around 1100. Similarly, second vibration, you can see again it is a type of bending vibration. The difference is that in one vibration 1, 2, 3 hydrogen are coming down or they are decreasing their bond angle. In another vibration number 2, 3, 4 are coming down and they are decreasing their bond angle. So one by one they are changing their positions, and in this we are observing change in electrical dipole moment also. Therefore, these are all 3 vibrations are IR active because selection rule allows their transition and happening of spectrum also. 4 and 5 vibrations are, though energetically they are degenerate, but their twisting is not creating any change in dipole moment. When there is no change in dipole moment, we will not observe IR spectra because of that vibration, because electrical component of IR radiation is now not able to interact with molecule. So in this you can easily visualize that gravity of charge remains on the carbon itself. Therefore, when there is no change, you will not no change in electrical dipole moment, you will not find any interaction in IR radiation and in molecule. Hence, it results no spectra, no peak because of this vibration. You can easily check that both are symmetrical. Therefore, there is no change in electrical dipole moment. Hence, it is making it IR inactive vibration. And what about vibration number 6? Though it has high energy, but it is IR inactive because it is also associated with zero change in electrical dipole moment. And this is the animated diagram of vibration number 6. You can see that there is no change in electrical dipole moment of methane. Both are, all 4 hydrogens are stretching in such a way that charge gravity center of negative and positive ion, positive charge remains on the carbon atom itself. Now, vibration number 7. You can see it is asymmetrical stretching. Wherever asymmetrical stretching occurs, there is a change in dipole moment also. So, because it is creating change in dipole moment, hence it is making the molecule able to interact with IR radiations or to interact with electrical component of IR radiations. Hence, it is IR active, and we observe it around 3000 centimeter inverse frequency. But because of some rotational excitations also, we, instead of getting sharp peak, we get groups of peak. In this also, vibration number 8, now there is another type of asymmetrical stretching, and it is also creating change in electrical dipole moment, and this one is 9th vibration. This is also asymmetrical stretching, and it is creating change in dipole moment of the molecule. Hence, it is making this vibration IR active. You can see how beautifully they are getting stretched and they are getting compressed. Yes, 2 are getting stretched and 2 are getting compressed. As bending vibrations need less energy, so their peak position at 1100 centimeter inverse, whereas stretching needs more energy, so their peak observes at around 3000 centimeter inverse, and both are multiplate. And in all 9 vibrations, we see that first 3 and last 3, first 3 for bending, last 3 for stretching are allowed, whereas 4, 5, 6 are IR inactive, they are not allowed. Thank you.